everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1969 Chevy Camaro hardtop. Of course, you know, a lot of 69 Camaros are one of the most popular vehicles that come through Skyway Classics. Even so, with a lot of them, some have more specifications than others, whether it be the block size of the motor, whether condition, or just the style of the body in general. But going to the one we have here, featuring a fine yellow exterior, followed by a black vinyl top, to really match in with that bumblebee style. Even so, you will see it has the appropriate D90 stripe coming from the sides and along the top there. But even so, you will see it also has the 2-inch cowl induction hood, rear spoiler, and even so the hideaway headlights, a very popular option of the RS package in 1969. Another fun fact about the 69 Camaros, and especially in their RS versions, is in the rear deck of the taillights, you will notice that a lot of times regular models had the taillights with the reverse lights built in, but on RS editions, it was on the lower side of the bumper indeed. But even so, some safety functions that were added to this particular Camaro do include the front and rear bumper guards and the safety of 2 mirrors on both sides. But even so, as we move on to the inside, a very rare combination you see in here is it is an automatic on the column with bucket seats. Of course, in the early time of the 60s, people had special options that they wanted to include with their vehicles. I think it is nice to see a column car, although a lot of times people will want to change it. Even so, you will see it does have the radio delete, followed by the original style RS style steering wheel. As you can see for our gauges here, we have our speedometer, tach, our indicator there, and our gas gauge, which we probably should have filled up before we started this ride. But even so, you look around, you'll see you have a mixture of white and black interior. You have the appropriate vents on all sides, side and center, followed by the standard interior. As you can see, the 69 has the included headrest with their bucket seats and appropriate style lap belts in front and rear if you ever want to include your passengers. But as for the floor mats, you can see it's in very good condition. A lot of times after so long, the carpet used to stain up and turn orange or pink, but this one's in very good shape. Even so, having cloth floor mats really does make the style of the car. But that's not it, folks. As we move on to the engine bay, featuring a 396 big block motor, as you can see, it is beautiful in its orange appearance, followed by the Edelbrock style intake. You will see it also has an aluminum style radiator for keeping cool, especially with the big block. Even so, some of your special modifications include the vintage AC, power steering, and power brakes, which we can't demonstrate for you right now. And even so, at a stop, you will see at the back end, it does have a dual exhaust system. Being a subframe car, it definitely wants to go lighter on the body, easy to go with. But even so, before we end our video, we will open it up just a little bit for you to get a feel of the actual ride. And even so, when we get to the underneath, you will see that it has a very strong supportive 12-bolt rear end. And of course, you know, with them 12 volts, they will definitely actually break rubber on the ground. But of course, for now, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.